Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Kalido Vids and I'm back here with another video. And today we've got these lovely iPhone 12 Pro accessories from Syncwire. I've been meaning to make this video for a while, but without further ado, let's get into unboxing. So, I've got for space grey, iPhone 12 Pro here, 6.1 inches. And first off, let's check this case for it. So I want to give a big shout out to Syncwire. Thank you for sending me all of these cases and screen protectors. And if you lots want more videos on Syncwire or other brand accessories, just let me know and I'll try and make that happen. So Syncwire has been making smartphone accessories and other little gadgets, technology products on Amazon for years now. I've previously bought some charging cables and a couple screen protectors from them in the past. So, you know, working with them is like a little childhood dream coming true. All the way back from my old reviewer days. So, here's our first case from Syncwire. We initially have this user guide. We've got a little warranty card. That's pretty snazzy. Look at the design of that. We have our microfiber cloth on the case. Damn, that's nice. And the wet wipe. So, alright, so we've got a plain matte black case. This is a bit like what I've seen on Spiegen's shockproof case or shock resistant case. It has this webbing to help disperse any impacts. That's nice to see in a case so thin. But anyway, let's put this on our iPhone 12 Pro. Ooh, look at the sides of that. Buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. I like this case. But hey, let's get to the next one. Let me quickly open this up. So just tearing it with my fingers. Okay, so we have the same things as before. Warranty card, pretty nice of them. User manual. And we've got the case itself. So, this is TPU, I can tell. Hardback. Syncwire cases are made of quality. And wait, is this on properly? Oh, okay, wait. I think this case is actually for... Is this for iPhone 12 Pro? Let me see if you use a guide. Okay, so I don't believe this case is for iPhone 12 Pro. I think it's for a different phone. But hey, let's just leave that to the side for now. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro case. This one I think is for iPhone 11. It seems slightly bigger. Okay, so I've just used a pen here. And with these screen protectors comes amazing. This is what you want when you're installing the screen protector. I know a lot of you have been, even this screen protector here, I got this from some other Amazon brand. But what you want is an installation frame, because this makes your life so much easier when trying to align it to the notch, especially on these notch phones. I know you lots have went through the pain of just aligning it, removing it, and then just getting air bubbles underneath, because it's so frustrating trying to do it freehand. With this frame, you'll get your screen protector on near enough perfectly This will make your life so much easier. I can't stress this enough. Thank you, Syncwire. So, we have an installation guide. This will tell you everything you need to know. Cleaning, you know, standard. If you have installed the screen protector before, that shouldn't be an issue. Here's our tools. So, of course, we get our dust stickers. These are pretty nice. You can actually even use these underneath a screen protector if you have some loose dust trapped in there without actually having to remove a whole screen protector. As you know, that happens sometimes. We've got several sets of wet wipes, several microfiber towels, no, not towels, cloths. And we've got some giant dust absorbers. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. I like that. So, let me put this back inside. And I'll leave it to the side for now. So yeah, they've been generous with the amount of stickers and wet wipes they provided. But let's see how many screen protectors come in here. I'll have a link to all of these Amazon products below. So you've actually got a little imprint of one of the old iPhones. I think this is the iPhone 6S. So, you know, that's pretty sweet of them. Some nostalgia there for you lots. Should I just do it? Should I do it cleanly or just rip it? You know what? I know most of you won't be doing it cleanly, so I'll do it like for average consumer. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Eesh, that bend. This beautiful engraving, or whatever you call it. So inside here, okay, so I think these are our... Alright, so I think these are our privacy filter screen protectors. Let me show you guys. So as you see, the thing is, there's some really bright lighting. I'm using a ring light behind the camera. So I'm not sure if you can see the effects on camera, but this is a privacy screen. So it just blocks it all out when you turn it to the side. So if someone's looking from, let's say here, looking from this direction, this is what they're going to be seeing. They'll be seeing your business cleared out. No one's going to see it. I'm not going to put on this screen protector only because I used this screen protector before and it's not cracked or anything. Plus, I had to do this freehand. I didn't have an installation frame before, so I'm not letting that effort go to waste. But for demonstration purposes, I'll leave this on top of a normal screen protector, and this is what you should be seeing. This one is quite high quality, so it will do you a good job. So, as you can see, it just hides everything that's on the screen. My phone's really bright right now. iPhone 12 Pro. Insane amount of nits. And yeah, you can see how it does the job. So, it came with 2 screen protectors, 2 privacy screen protectors, and plenty of wipes and dust absorbers. So, if you mess it up the first time or you need to clean it again the second time, then it won't be that hard. You've got a lot of mini accessories to support you with that. But let's pack this up to the side for now. And go to our next set of screen protectors for the iPhone 12 Pro. So, I'll open it like for average consumer. Let me see if I can just use my nail. I know some of you are just like, oh, just get a knife. Just use the edge of scissors or a pen or something. I'm a bit too lazy to do that right now. Okay, so I can just rip it off like so. See? It wasn't that hard, was it? And I'm pulling out my screen protectors. Okay. So, like before, you get your installation guide. Let me leave that to the side. You get your installation tools. You're already seeing it. It's cool. Let's leave that to the side. And we've got our installation frame. So I wonder what kind of screen protector they sent me this time. Okay. Ooh, all right. So, no way. Double threat, double homicide. They got 2 camera lenses protectors, 2 camera lens protectors, And forget having a double homicide. We got a double homicide. We call this double squared homicide. But allow me in the comments, man. But yeah, so we've got 2 normal screen protectors, I believe. 2 normal tempered glass ones. These actually look slightly more curved than my normal one. Looks a bit smoother. Okay. So yeah, we've got 2 normal screen protectors. 4 for iPhone 12 Pro. You know, nothing too out of ordinary. But of course, you've got your installation frame. And these prices are pretty sick. Let me see how much it costs quick. Please be cheap. So, I'm going on Amazon right now, live on camera. So, you get 2 packs of camera lens protectors and you get 2 screen protectors, all for a good price of less than £14. Obviously, you get that 10% voucher, which if you use not too long after this video, you'll still get that 10% off. So, yeah, that might be helpful. Costing like £12 or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, that's the link to the product. For the privacy ones, it costs, if I go on Amazon again, for the privacy ones, it's actually less than £10 for a 2-pack. And you get a lot of installation tools and other mini accessories to help you install this, along with another installation frame. So yeah, that's sweet. You don't have to buy the installation frame separately, because with most screen protectors, they don't come with installation frame. So it's pretty nice that they included it in the box. I didn't even know that we had installation frames. But now, let's get to our last product. Let's put all of this stuff to the side. And I wonder, maybe this might be a different set. So this is for the iPhone 12. All right, it says it in the box. Okay, after a lot of gnashing with my finger, I've managed to open the screen protectors. So, let's get all of this stuff out of the box. Installation frame as standard. Installation tools are standard with Syncwire, not with a competition. And we've got our installation guide. And let's quickly see, it's my favorite bit. It's so much easier with a sticker. Oh, don't watch that. Okay. All right, so another 2 sets of camera protectors. Thank you so much, Syncwire, for sending me this. And we've got 2 more screen protectors. I doubt I'll be needing to use all of these before I get my next phone. But, hey, I might as well shop from Syncwire again if I need to. And here's our second screen protector. But yeah, to cut a long video short, thank you guys for watching me. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like on the video, you know, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, peace. Love all of you. Ow.